Mauvari.
Hi friends, today we will discuss about scenario number 3, generating sequence number using expression transformation. So, so this is the source. So for this source we need to generate sequence number like this. So if you see in the target sequence number 1 to 29 like this, we need to generate a sequence number. So for this go to data integration. So click on new, click on mappings, create mapping. So mapping name is like m underscore scenario number 3, generating sequence number using expression transformation. Okay, fine. After that, after, after that we need to configure the both target source as well as the target. First we need to configure the source. So go to click on the source, select the source, select scenario number 3 source. Similar way configure the target, click on the target, select the target table, check the incoming fields for target fields. So here we are using expression transformation. So by using expression transformation we can generate the sequence number. So this is the expression transformation. So click on the expression, write a condition in the expression, add a variable port, variable field, v underscore sequence number to the double. Okay, then configure. So v under sequence number plus 1, then validate the expression is valid, then click on OK. So create output port for this. So output field underscore configure this output port, validate. Okay, click on target. uh, Source name, click on general. So whatever there in the source name, just modify the source name as well as the target name. Then target also we need to modify. So what is the target name? Scenario number 3, target. Click on general, modify the target name also. Then after click on save. Then click on target, target fields, check the field mapping. Click on smart map. So drag one underscore sequence to sequence number. Then click on save. So the mapping is validate. Then we need to create MCT for this mapping. Copy the mapping name, click on new, click on task, mapping task, create mapping task, MCT underscore mapping name, and select the environment, select the mapping name, then click on next, finish. Then MCT is created. Then click on run. My jobs. So the job is success with 107 record. Then click go to target table, check the target table, the sequence number is generated or not. Yes, it's fine working. So sequence number is generated. Thanks for watching. Like, share my YouTube channel. We will continue with the next scenario.